Okay, so I've been asked this question a couple times on our videos, and how much is it to replace the battery on like a 2006 to like a 2014 Honda Ridgeline truck? It'd probably be around, at the time of this video, it'd probably be around about a buck 80 to around 350 bucks, including the price of the battery. The smaller garages are going to charge you less. You know, the battery is probably about 100 bucks, and they'll charge you a couple bucks to put it in. It's not that hard to do it. If you go to a dealership, they're going to get you an OE battery, put it in, and a lot of times the dealerships are about 200 bucks now on labor. And sometimes it's an hour minimum. So they kind of can get you on the labor side of things, which is what drives the cost up. With that said, this truck isn't that hard to do a battery on, to put one in. You can do it yourself if you're somewhat mechanically inclined in your driveway at home. That's why my channel is called Homeowner Repair. We show you how to do easy DIY repairs most of the time that you can perform in your driveway at home or in your garage at your house. This is one of those. So we've got a video on how to replace the battery in your Honda Ridgeline truck, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this video, so that if you do decide to replace it yourself, you can go buy one. It'll probably be around 150 bucks maybe. You can get it from Walmart, Interstate, or your local parts dealer, stuff like that. But the video will show you what's involved with putting it in your Honda Ridgeline. It's pretty easy to do, and it should take you probably about 10-15 minutes tops. And we go through the whole process. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you decide to do it yourself and save some money, because that's what we're all about over here. If you have any questions, leave a comment on this video and I will reply back to you. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Take it easy.